Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup using all of Alter Ego's products. So Alter Ego is a brand that I have discovered through their lashes and their liquid lips, and I love them so much that I really wanted to try more of what they have to offer. They have eyeshadow palettes, an eyeshadow base, and brushes. So today I'm showing you all of Alter Ego's products, and we're gonna put them on and create this look, which I feel like ties in beautifully to 14 Days of Valentine's because it's a gorgeous Valentine's look. I'm obsessed with this look so much. So if you're new, hi, welcome, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I'm doing 14 Days of Valentine's right now, where every day for 14 days I have a new Valentine's related video, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on tomorrow's video. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. All right, I am beyond excited to get into this stuff. So the first thing I have is the Alter Ego eyeshadow base. And so I'm gonna put that on very quickly. Oh yeah, so excited. Guys, Alter Ego is my favorite lash brand ever. Look at this. And I love their liquid lipsticks. They are so, like, they don't budge when you put them on, and that's what kind of wanted me to try out some more of their things, because I tried both of those and I just loved it so much. So it kind of put me on this journey to try everything they have. Okay, so this base does not have a color to it. It's just clear, but it's smooth, so I'm excited to see how the eyeshadows perform on top of it. Okay, so the two palettes I have is the Bloom palette and Canyon. So I have Blooms here, and this is like pinky purpley vibes, very Valentine's vibes, but we're gonna try to get into both of these. And this one is Canyon, and these look gorgeous, neutrals. This is perfect for everybody. Everybody needs a palette like this, I feel like, where there's neutrals and beautiful golds and things like that that are very wearable. So let's do this. To that, I have the Alter Ego Beautiful Brush Set. Comes in a bag, this beautiful bag, super, like, it's kind of thick, good quality, says Alter Ego on it, so cute. And then it comes with all of these rose gold beautiful brushes. So I'm super excited to try the brushes with the palettes and see what Alter Ego has to offer. So I'm gonna get into Rattlesnake right here, and I'm gonna get in with the Alter Ego 5 brush, which is a fluffy blending brush. And I'm gonna put that into the crease. Whoa, this palette is pigmented. Super pigmented. I barely dipped my brush in because I wasn't sure if it was pigmented or not, and it is very, very pigmented. Okay, so I'm putting that in the crease and I'm blending that really well. These brushes are super soft. Wow. Alter Ego, where have you been all my life? So good already. I've only tried one eyeshadow, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna get into Azalea. So this is from the Bloom palette, and because these are so pigmented, I'm gonna try to be very gentle with it, but I'm gonna put that into the crease a little bit lower. I'm like barely touching the eyeshadow, and I'm barely touching my eye because these are so pigmented. Wow. So right off the bat, I can tell I like these eyeshadows because they don't just blend away too. So I have two light colors, the orange and a little bit of pink, and they're not mushing together and blending in together to where it's hard to even tell that I have two separate colors because they're just blending away. So they pretty much, like, they stay put pretty well and they blend pretty well, but they don't blend away. So that just means it's not cheap. It's a good eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna get into Petal, which is right here, and I'm gonna get into a different brush. The 8 brush, which is just a flat shader brush, and I'm just gonna put that right underneath my brow. I'm gonna get into Plateau. Plateau is a beautiful like duochrome peachy warm shade. It's just so gorgeous, has like gold in it, but like some rose gold. It's just, I can't even describe it. It's just so beautiful. So I'm gonna spray my brush. Well, I'll try it first dry. We'll put that all over the lid and then we will smoke out really close to the lashes. And I'm not gonna spray it just to see how it looks. Oh my word, that is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. Oh, this color is so beautiful. Okay, so that's like such a beautiful light wash without spraying my brush. So I'm gonna now spray my brush. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay, you need to stop what you're doing right now. Get online, pick up this palette. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, Alter Ego, where have you been all my life? Oh. Can you see this color? Like how gorgeous it is? Can you see that? Oh. We're gonna get into Expanse right here. It's like, it's a shimmer, and it looks so beautiful and creamy. I'm gonna get into that. These brushes are really nice. They're very sturdy. They don't feel cheap or anything like that. So I'm gonna grab a kind of like smaller brush and just kind of deepen with Expanse, just this outer part. Next, I'm gonna pop on some lashes, and I had to get out my favorite lashes from Alter Ego. These are the style Amour. They're just so beautiful. If you're gonna try one of these, try these ones. I mean, I've tried several of their lashes and they're all very beautiful, but this one is just my favorite. It's just winged out, it's wispy, it's beautiful. I mean, look at these lashes. They're so feminine, so beautiful, perfect for this like really feminine, beautiful, wearable look. I just, oh. Guys, trust me on this. But I'm going in with the Leneigh Glow Serum. If they had face products, I would be rocking the face products. Oh, but they don't. So we're gonna kind of go through this quickly. And I'm gonna be using this sponge. This is an e.l.f. sponge. It's new, I haven't tried it yet. For contour, I'm going to use this palette from Gellar. This is the color Coconut Grove in the palette Shades of Nude. So I'm going to get into this. I'm actually really enjoying this Physicians Formula bronzer, so I'm going to use this. I really like it. I like that it has a pink tint to it. I'm going to get into it with, this is the number 3 Alter Ego brush. It's a contour brush, but I'm going to flip it on its side and use it to bronze. Oh, it's such a fluffy brush. These are so soft. Okay, so I love this look so much that we're gonna go in with one of my die-hard true blushes that I only use when I love the look so much. This is the Nars Orgasm, my favorite beautiful blush, and it's perfect for this look. So I'm gonna get into the brush, the number 2 Alter Ego brush, I'm guessing it is. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put that all over. Oh, I love this blush so much. It's just so good. Highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Glow Powder. This is a very beautiful highlight that is very natural because I just got so much going on. I'm going in with the number 4 Alter Ego brush. And I'm just glowing up. I mean, look at that. Oh, this brush is one for a poppin' highlight. I have made the perfect Valentine's look. I love it so much. All right, I'm spraying my face, and I'm going to spray today with the e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. Oh. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, calm down. Okay, the last thing is lips, and Alter Ego has some amazing liquid lipsticks. I've had these in favorites so many times, and I've shared these with you guys on Instagram and on here so many times because they're so good. They're so long lasting. As soon as they dry, they are like put. They are put for the day. They have 5 beautiful colors, and today I'm gonna use my favorite because this look is so beautiful. This is called Intrigue. I'm gonna mix 2 of these. So I'm gonna mix Intrigue and Crush together because I think that would be perfect. And I'm gonna go in with a lip liner first. You can even go with like a lighter nude, but I'm kind of feeling like this full coverage, like glam look. This is how my look turned out. I absolutely love it. I think it's a very beautiful Valentine's flawless look. Very glam, very nice. I'm definitely gonna be trying out the Bloom palette more, you guys, and I'll be doing another Valentine's look with this palette because I'm just super excited. Just testing the formula and just loving it. I'm so excited to just be putting these palettes on like every single day. I'm so excited. Anyways, I hope you really liked me testing out these brands. If there's a brand that you want me to test out that you have heard about, that's maybe a smaller brand, comment below and tell me what they are. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest of 14 Days of Valentine's. I'll link that playlist up in an iCard so you can watch the other videos. But I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. Don't forget to smash the like. It really helps me out, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.